Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure Translate is installed and allowed to run. This prevents permission blocks. Open the WhatsApp conversation you need, then return to the home screen so you can switch apps fast. Once done, open Google Translate and set source and target languages. Tap the language buttons to confirm. You do this up front to avoid losing context. It saves time when toggling. Make sure Translate's microphone or camera access is enabled if you plan to use voice or instant camera translation. You copy the WhatsApp message by long pressing and choosing Copy, then switch to Google Translate and paste into the text field. Tap Translate to get an instant result. If it's an image or sticker, use Translate's camera or camera roll import for text recognition. This avoids manual typing. For voice replies, tap the mic in Translate, speak your response, then copy the translated text back into WhatsApp. Remember to check language selections each time. Auto-detect can misclassify similar languages, so you paste the translated text back into WhatsApp, quickly scan and edit for tone or names, then send. For live discussions, use Translate's conversation mode and place devices nearby. It makes back and forth much faster. Once the exchange is complete, close unused apps to save battery. If something goes wrong, no translation, blank screen, or permissions error, restart the Translate app first, then check microphone and camera permissions in settings. If problems persist, reinstall Translate. That usually resolves corrupted files or crashes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.